In this video from Device Doctor, we fixed the HP LaserJet P2055dn printer printing extra blank pages.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Watch closely as I print a single document from the computer. See how the HP LaserJet P2055dn prints the first page perfectly, but then it unexpectedly feeds out a second blank page. This happens every time, making it confusing and frustrating. If your printer is doing the same thing, keep watching to understand this unusual issue. About 99% of the time, this problem is caused by the printer's solenoid. In the rest of the video, I will show you how to easily fix it. Just follow the steps exactly as I demonstrate. Turn off the printer and unplug the power cable. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to discharge any remaining electricity from the printer. Remove the right side cover of the printer using a flathead screwdriver. There are no screws, you just need to carefully release the clips. Be careful not to damage any parts while opening the cover. Here you can see the main problem. The solenoid in this printer has become sticky and is no longer working properly. This is the only reason why the printer is feeding two papers instead of one. You need to remove the solenoid from the printer and repair it just like we show in our video. Alternatively, you can replace it with a new solenoid for a permanent fix. Now you need to clean the solenoid. As shown in our video, attach a small piece of masking tape to it to remove its stickiness and restore proper function. Clean the solenoid with a cloth dampened with petroleum. If you don't have petroleum, you can also use warm water. Clean the solenoid with a cloth dampened with petroleum. If you don't have petroleum, you can also use warm water. Attach one or two small pieces of masking tape to the solenoid to prevent it from becoming sticky again. Now carefully reassemble the solenoid. Be very careful not to lose the spring while putting it back in place. Now the solenoid is working properly and has lost its stickiness. Now carefully reassemble the printer following our video. It's very simple. And if you have any issues, just leave a comment below. Now our HP LaserJet P2055dn is fully working again. The extra blank page problem has been completely fixed, and the printer feeds only one page at a time. By following these simple steps, you can easily solve this common issue at home or in the office. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Device Doctor, and share it with anyone who needs quick printer solutions. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more professional printer tutorials.